Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add some texture on a 3D object in Cinema 4D. I made a stone and then I duplicate the stone so that there's plenty of them. And they surround the 3D object just as shown on your screen, which is the letter A. Let's start, shall we? Let's start by making a 3D object, like text. Click on text line just like this and then type any text, for example the uppercase letter A, and then turn it into bold. Click on extrude and then drag the text line here and then adjust the depth of the 3D object just like this. Okay, a 3D object is created. Make it editable by right clicking extrude and then click on connect objects and delete. Okay, let's make a stone now. Hold the left click button on cube and then head over to sphere and then click on sphere, the object, and then make it small just like this. Let's say the radius is 1 and then the segment number is 24. Drag it here. Make it editable. Right click on sphere and then click on connect objects and delete, just like that. You want to make the sphere to look like a stone. Click on points and then click on brush selection just like this. Click on toggle active view so that you get the left side view and the right side view just like this. You want to select several parts of the sphere just as we created. Hold the shift button and then select some parts of the sphere in the right side view and then head over to the left side view and then hold the shift button on your keyboard and then select the similar areas as well, just like this. Select them all, select the points, and then click on move to move the points upwards, just like this. You want to make the stone thinner by clicking on sphere first and then click on model just like this. Head over to coordinate and then drag the area on the right side of SD so that the sphere is thinning. There you have it. A stone just like this. It's not thick enough. Just drag it just like this. Now all we have to do is to duplicate this stone that we just created like this. There's a tool in Cinema 4D. Head over to MoGraph. It's called Cloner. Cloner is a tool used to duplicate a 3D object. We want to make the stone duplicate itself. So all we have to do is to drag sphere at the center of Cloner and then head over to Cloner and then change the mode into object just like this, and then click on Cloner again and then drag extrude here on the right side of object. Duplicate the sphere by clicking on Cloner and then change the count into, let's say, 15,000. Ooh, okay. Our 3D object now has texture, which are the stones that form the letter A just as shown. Add in some color by clicking on Material Manager and then drag the material, apply it to the spheres or the stones, and onto extrude like this. Now your shape has textures, just like what we saw earlier. Hold the Ctrl and R to look at the render preview. Ooh, it's fancy. Now your 3D object has some texture. And that's it for the tutorial video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and get yourself subbed up by clicking on the subscribe button. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.